today we are going to do keto crack slaw, also known as egg roll in a bowl. So this is another one of Chris's favorite dishes, and it's very simple to make. So it starts off with 1 pound ground beef or ground pork. And you can either do 1 package of coleslaw, or you can make your own. We made our own, so cut up a little bit of a purple cabbage and then a white or green cabbage. But you need 1 pound of it, and then throw some carrots on top, shredded carrots. It also includes a little bit of olive oil for the vegetable sauteing, sesame seed oil, garlic. The recipe calls for green onions, but it's hard to find to keep those fresh in an RV, so I usually just use a purple onion. And then we have soy sauce, lemon or lime juice, and then sriracha. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our little bit of oil. You can use olive oil, ghee, avocado oil, any type of oil is okay. We're gonna put a tad bit of garlic in here. That's my couple of cloves of garlic. We're gonna make sure we turn this on. That's probably the key to cooking it. It is on. Kind of do like a medium-high. Give it a little stir. So we're gonna go ahead and put some olive oil, a little bit of garlic, 2 to 3 cloves, and then I put my onions in here. Normally you would use the spring onions and you'd sprinkle them on top at the end, but I kind of like them in the middle. And like I said, it's hard to keep spring onions fresh in an RV fridge. So we'll do these till they soften a tiny bit, and then we'll add the ground beef or ground pork, whichever you desire. So this whole thing should take around 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on how fast you are and whether or not you have your coleslaw prepared ahead of time or not. If you bought the packaged kind, then it's just an easy dump it in. If you're preparing it yourself, you gotta shred the cabbage. So we're just going to brown this meat about 5 to 8 minutes. I like to have all of the ingredients prepared ahead of time. So I try to get everything measured out and ready to go. 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice or lemon juice, and then the key ingredient, 1 tablespoon of sriracha. That gives it that oomph. Then we also have the olive or the sesame oil goes on at the end to give it that orientalish kind of flavor. You just use a teaspoon of that and you mix it in at the end. I'll show you. So the key to having this cook properly is to make sure you have a big enough pan. This coleslaw is going to take up a lot of room. So this is what we have. This is the biggest one that we have. I think a wok would probably be more sufficient. And then make sure you have some sort of tong, because you're going to want to flip the cabbage around. So once your meat is browned, you can go ahead and put your cabbage in. It's going to seem like a lot, but once you get it in there and start moving it around, it softens up and starts to take up less space. We'll see if we're going to use all of this or if we're going to save some for the next time. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our soy sauce, lemon or lime juice. This is lime juice. And then sriracha. So you want, like I said, you want to keep this moving, so carefully kind of move it around and mix in those spices. So you're going to want to make sure you let this cook for about 10 minutes until the cabbage is crisp but still tender. Keep it moving so it doesn't burn, which as long as you have it on medium-high, it should be okay. You want to get that sriracha and soy sauce mixed in. So the last step is going to be adding a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. So I don't necessarily measure, I just kind of drizzle. And then just mix it around. I think that's what kind of makes it keto. It adds that fat that you need in there for the actual keto recipe, but it also has a good flavor. And this folks, is the finished product. Tasty! Then we just serve it.
Another amazing Suzannah prepared meal. Thank you.
So, and it is suggested salt and pepper for whatever to taste, I guess. So, I don't need any, but he always puts salt and pepper on it, even though everybody's tastes are different.
It's like Emerald. Bam, you gotta add a little bit more.
Yep.
So, thank you for watching. Make sure that you hit the subscription button, the notification bell, so you get more recipes and cooking with Suzannah. You can check out some of these recipes on our blog. It's www.hintonthetrail.com.
And they're also from the Keto Diet App.
Yeah, so that link is down below, so make sure you check it out. The lady has amazing recipes, tons of them, like countless amounts of recipes.
And we'll continue to show more.
Yep. All right,
Thank you for watching.
Time to eat.
Thank you for watching. We'd love to share our journey with you, so hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you know when a new video is uploaded. And don't forget to leave your comments down below and hit the like button.